Hey there, and welcome. In this video, I'm going to talk about some seduction methods, okay? Because my purpose is to create the best version of myself so I can have more in life and share the information that's helped me so that you enjoy a more fulfilling fucking life, okay? I just had a meeting with my coach, my dating coach, and I could say seduction coach, and we went over a few things for my progress. But there was a quote or something he said that I quoted that I'm gonna put into my quotations that I read every morning. There's only a handful that I have, but every time I something that hits me deep down, I write it down, and this is it. Women are attracted to things not seen. He just made a video. I'm gonna put the video below here so you can check it out, and I'm gonna put his Instagram if you want to reach out to him. And I'm gonna tell you why this is. Why this is. When you approach a woman, you walk up to her, or just to start a conversation, right? I do either or, whatever I feel like. Hey, excuse me, I think you're really cute. Oh, excuse me. Hey, so where you headed to? Excuse me. I saw you and I thought you were really attractive. That's how I approach. Now there's a different way to approach where you don't come off as calm and grounded how I said it. You say, I can't even do it, but it's high pitch. Excuse me. Excuse me. High pitch. Excuse me, this is, my name is Miguel. Oh, excuse me, I saw you and I thought you were really cute. You see how it is? A high pitch, kind of like asking a question versus like a command. One is resonant because it's coming from your diaphragm. So that's the one tip. Speak from your diaphragm. You hear and feel resonance in your diaphragm. When you're talking right here, your voice and everything is up here. I realize that a lot of Americans speak that way. I don't know why. And probably other cultures as well. It's probably a confidence thing. When you're confident, you speak with power, with resonance. So when you walk up to a woman and say, excuse me. I actually said, excuse me, to a lady at Walmart today. She's like, because I went from behind her. It's another thing. You're not supposed to go from behind. Don't approach from behind. Always come from the side or from the front. So if I'm behind a woman, I walk up to her, then go to the side, and then I talk to her. So I don't startle her. Because you would startle her if you come with that deep resonant voice. Now, that's what women are not gonna like, right? High-pitched voice coming from behind. Okay, they are gonna like you coming from the side, and two things: being present and having a good aura. Your presence is your consciousness. You're here now. You're not thinking about, oh, what if she doesn't like me? Oh, what if she thinks this is weird? Or what if? Oh, she better give me a number. Oh, I want to hit it. You're just here. Now, you see how that happened? You saw the interaction. Imagine if I'm talking to you and I'm thinking about something else. You have my full fucking attention. Okay? I'm giving you this value, this information. How do you get present? You fucking meditate. You meditate and it's going to be automatic. You're going to have negative thoughts, but your breath is going to automatically bring you back to the present. Automatically. I've been meditating for about 5-6 months now. So, make sure you do it. I wake up at 3 a.m. in the fucking morning to get this stuff done and do my gratitude, do my meditation, and do my readings. Read my affirmations. And I do these videos. Now, right now it's not 3 a.m. or anything like that. Right now it's around 6, 7. But I wanted to come on here to give you this information. So meditation. Here's a quick way to get out of your head. If you're somewhere where you see a girl and you start talking in your head like, oh man, I want to talk to her, but you can't do it. This is a technique that my coach just talked about. You close your eyes, take deep breaths, like 20 deep breaths. Feel them all the way deep down into your stomach or into your balls. In with your mouth. Deep. Out. In with your nose, out with your mouth. 20 times. And then open your eyes. And then you're going to feel like you just were, quote, transported to planet Earth. Like you were just born. Okay? I feel like that every fucking day. Unless like I get like some kind of negative emotion, I get angry or something like that, and I get off whack. I get off the present. And then I'm in my head. So these are two techniques. The first one I recommend, do not ever fucking miss. So change your fucking life. Not just for girls, but for business, for everything. Be present. Do your meditation. I just do 15 minutes. That's all I do. I've done an hour before. And it does help, okay? 15 minutes, an hour, very beneficial. And then do the technique, the breathing technique. Close your eyes, breathe 20 times. Because I meditate a lot, I just breathe. And I'm back. Because that's my default. So my body's constantly going back to default, which is the present fucking time. Okay? So women are attracted to that, to presence, and to your aura. And if your aura is fun, it's confident, fun and confident, you're gonna have good responses. So go out there, talk to those girls, be present, do your meditation, don't fucking miss. So when you see that girl that you like, you just go up to her. It's gonna feel a little uncomfortable. Go ahead and just go up. Hi, how you doing? Hey, I thought you were really cute. Excuse me, hey, I think you're really cute. So where are you headed to? Where are you going? Start flirting with her. Just being fun, make it a fun interaction. If everything goes good, it looks like she's into you. Ask her for a number. If she doesn't like you, she's giving you bad fucking vibes. She's looking ugly. I could feel the vibe. If her vibe is bad, I just go away. I don't want to be in that. If it's because of me, she doesn't like me, or whatever's going on in her life, I could feel the energy. I just go back. Like, all right, well, have a nice day, or I just say, all right, bye. Or I just continue walking. Like she's giving me a weird look or vibe, I just walk away. I'm done, right? But if she likes you, she's gonna be talking to you. She'll be, hey, how's it going? You know, her words are gonna be high pitched and extended. That's how you know she's into you, and her eyes will be wide open. She's gonna smile. It's obvious. These are social cues. Social cues. Read people's energy. Read people's language. And with the meditation, you're gonna be able to read people's energy because you're calm. So everybody who's not calm, you see their baseline. You see that they're not at the baseline, which is the present. They're high up here, angry, or below here. They're not present. They're not at peace. They're not their true fucking self. The second thing, I already went over the second thing, the aura. So presence and aura. Women are attracted to things not fucking seen. So I'm gonna put a link right here. My coach just did a video on this, on how women respond to confidence, not looks. And confidence is also being grounded. You come in, you're grounded, you're confident, you're coming in, you're not getting validation from her. Something happens, something's going on, you're still calm. You're present. You're at that level. Keep going like this means, to me, like this means calm, being at zero. Being at that true self, that baseline where everybody ought to be, but not everybody in the world is there. Okay, so I hope you like this one. If you want more resources, check the description below. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you want more of these. Until next time. Peace. And I love you.